using the side mirror for your Camry. So first thing you need to know is which side mirror you have. They have one with 3 wires, 5 wires, and 6 wires. 3 wires are your standard. 5 wires are the one with a heated side mirror, and 6 wires are the one with lane detection. If the wires aren't exposed, you can just take out the panel. There's a few videos on YouTube that, shows you. You just need to take 3 of these bolts, and you can see the wires. So you can go to a local junkyard or eBay and buy the cheapest one you can find. The color doesn't have to match. You have 2 options. You could buy paint to match, and then just sand, prime, paint, clear coat, and buff. Which, the paint itself around here, it costs about $20. And then if you factor in clear, the base, and primer, you spend about $50 for it. And instead, you could just go to the local dealer and purchase, the cover, and they're already painted to match. Lock that over. There you go. You can just pop out the old one and put the new one in, which saves you time and money, which this only cost me about $50 as well too. So with 2 persons it's easier, but then with 1 person you pry it apart. You put a flathead or some to pry this thing apart. There. And simply put the new one in. There you go. And then we'll go install it. Okay. Cool thing about this cover is it's just not for Camrys only. They have it for Corolla, Tacoma, and other Toyota as well too. You just need to check, check the part number. And then you do have to take out the panel, and I have another video that shows you how to take out the panel. I'll put the link below, and then this is how it looks. The color matches really well. It is OEM though, that's why. Alright, thanks for watching.